Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by making the data reliable. Confirm headers are single row and formats are correct, because charts reflect source types. Once done, convert the range to a table Ctrl+T to preserve dynamic ranges and formulas. Next, select the exact columns you need, hold Ctrl to pick non-adjacent series. Then go to Insert and pick a starter chart. You're beginning with structure, not final look, so focus on correct series mapping and clear axis values. Now refine the relationships. You choose the chart type that matches the data story, line for trends, column for comparisons. Once chosen, open Select Data to add or remove series, rename series, and set category labels. This fixes which cells map to X and Y. If one series dwarfs another, assign it to a secondary axis to preserve readability. Also switch row/column if categories and series are swapped. These steps control how Excel interprets the numbers, which is crucial. Finish by polishing and exporting. Use chart tools designed to apply layout and format to set fonts, fills, and axis number formats so the message is clear. Make sure to set axis bounds and tick spacing for accurate visual scale, then save the chart as a template if you'll reuse style. Finally, right-click and save as picture or copy-paste into slides. If the chart shows gaps, check for hidden rows or blank cells. Convert blanks to zeros or remove them to fix series breaks.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.